Hello, listeners of Sally's Storytelling. Happy New Year! I'm Li Shou-ching, editor of Sally's Storytelling. Everyone calls me Aunt Shu. And I'm Zuo Mi, editor of Sally's Storytelling. Everyone calls me Uncle Zuo. Today, I'll be doing the first episode of the Year of the Pig theme book recommendations with Aunt Shue. If you had to sum up the Year of the Dog that's about to pass in one sentence, how would you describe it? Probably something like tired as a dog. What do you mean by that? Just kidding. But over the past year or so, my team and I have interpreted nearly 600 books for you, with about 160,000 people tuning in daily to listen to the show. All of us at Sally Storytelling, thank you for your company and support. Sure, we wish you a very happy new year. Let's all say Happy New Year together. Wishing you prosperity and wealth. May the gods bless you. Don't worry. May everything go your way. Wishing everyone good eating and drinking during the new year. Great fortune in the new year. And steady progress in life. Wishing Shanger progress in his studies. Wishing the young man from Xi'an to become even more handsome. Aunt Fa to prosper. And Grandma Wealth God to stay healthy. Wishing everyone family harmony and prosperity in all things. We don't have fancy words, just wishing everyone steady progress and prosperity in the new year. Grades should be good, but don't overwork yourself. Have fun and eat well. Take your family out to enjoy. Stay happy in all things, but don't forget leisure. Keep in touch. Make sure to send a message to say hello, wishing everyone a happy new year. Good health and prosperity. Ha! Wishing the young ladies to dress beautifully. If Carlo comes, he'll teach you how to dress too. May everything go your way. Jumping around, John Doe, releasing videos. Happy New Year! 2019 is the year of the pig. Pigs are full of treasures, so may everyone make daily progress next year too. May you have many treasures at home, peace and stability inside, and smooth sailing outside. Hey everyone, it's New Year's time. In the new year, wishing everyone peace, joy, and smooth sailing in all matters. Wishing everyone a happy new year in 2019. In the new year, wishing everyone to do better and better. Our team members come from all over the country. Just now, they were sending you New Year blessings in their hometown dialects. Did you recognize where our team members are from? If you figured it out, feel free to leave a comment below the audio, and we love to chat with you in the comment section too. How do you celebrate the new year back in your hometown? Actually, not only do our team members come from all corners of the country, but our listeners are also from all over the world. What kind of books do you all love to listen to? Actually, every category of books has its loyal fans. However, for Sally's Storytelling, the three most popular books are Principles in Business Management, Influence in Psychology, and Nickel and Dimed in Social Documentary. Books like Nickel and Dimed, we've now made them available. Free trial listening. If you're interested, you can click the link in the transcript area below the audio or search Sally's Storytelling plus the book title to listen to these books. Besides these three books during this New Year period, that is from New Year's Eve to the 8th day, we've carefully selected 9 great books to keep you company through the festivities. For New Year's Eve, we recommend a book called The Art of High EQ Conversation. Hey, Aunt Shu, why should we listen to this book on New Year's Eve? Uncle Zuo, you're married, so you probably have no worries. But for many singles like me, every year when going home for New Year, we inevitably get grilled by all the aunts and uncles asking when we'll get married. You're wrong. Who says married folks have no worries? My mom pesters me daily about having kids. But during the new year, even if I'm unwilling deep down, I can't snap back at them. No, that's not it. So this art of high EQ conversation can help you escape awkward chat situations. No matter who you're talking to, you can have a good conversation with them. More importantly, this book teaches you how to steer the topic toward what you want. Wow, that's amazing. So with this book, when visiting relatives on New Year's Day, I'll have Plenty to say. Exactly. Next, let's check out the book for the first day. Last year on New Year's Day, we covered Mr. Fei Tong's From the Soil. This year, the book is The Golden Wing by Lin Yahua, a fellow student of Fei Tong and a renowned anthropologist, sociologist, and ethnologist. If I recall right, this book was your project, Uncle Zuo? Yes. The uniqueness of The Golden Wing is that it's a sociological study written as a novel. Besides covering the basics of Chinese rural society and complex relationships, the book also describes many folk cultural activities like the Spring Festival, Dragon Boat Festival, wedding and funeral ceremonies, and so on. So, broadcasting this book on New Year's Day is quite fitting. On the second day of New Year, what book are we broadcasting? Nowadays, many young folks on the first day still listen to elders and stay home, but on the second day, they head out for a stroll. So the book for the second day relates to a popular destination now. Hey, which destination is it? It's the five Nordic countries: Denmark, Iceland, Norway, Finland, and Sweden. That sounds pretty nice. I've heard that in recent winters, more and more people are going to Northern Europe to see the aurora. Besides the aurora, these countries have many great natural and cultural attractions. And like Denmark's Little Mermaid, Iceland's Blue Lagoon, hot springs, Norway's fjords, and Finland's Santa Claus Village. Many people lump these five countries together, thinking they're all similar. Little do they know, these countries actually have significant differences. Friends who enjoy deep travel might want to tune in on the second day to hear about the Nordic book. After talking about the second day, Uncle Zuo, I realized we haven't mentioned a crucial New Year topic: feasting. Hey, how could Uncle Zuo forget that? The books for the third and fourth days are both related to eating and drinking. Let's first look at the book for the third day, The Legend of Spices. Hey, Aunt Shu, are you talking about spices like pepper and cloves? What's so legendary? Well, you might not know, but spices like pepper, cloves, and cinnamon from the East were catalysts for the Age of Discovery. How so? Actually, since ancient Greek and Roman times or even earlier, Westerners were fascinated by Eastern spices. Later, famous explorers like Columbus and da Gama sought new continents mainly to find spices. Oh, I see. Why did Westerners love spices so much? I don't know. If you want answers, tune in on the third day for our show. Then the book for the fourth day should be about drinking, right? Exactly. On the fourth day, we'll talk about alcohol. Uncle Zuo, do you know why barley is essential for brewing beer, not just wheat? I actually don't know that. Then, do you know why adding a little water to whiskey enhances its flavor? Also, is juniper berry the main ingredient in gin? Hey, Aunt Shu, stop keeping us in suspense. Tell us which book this is from. You can find answers to these in The Drunken Botanist. After talking about eating and drinking, we've reached the fifth day to welcome the god of wealth. Eating, that day, are we introducing a book about the god of wealth? Yes! Our finance editor, Brother June, highly recommended The Investment Habits of Buffett and Soros. These two have vastly different investment styles. Look, the financial titan Soros is a classic speculator, while the stock god Buffett hates speculation and focuses on long-term value. Could their investment habits possibly be the same? Their styles differ, but they share remarkable, similar habits that enable quick decision making. So on the fifth day, be sure to join us for the investment habits of Buffett and Soros. Remember, if you don't manage wealth, wealth won't manage you. On the fifth day, join us to develop scientific investment habits. After welcoming the god of wealth, suddenly it's the sixth day, feeling your holiday time running critically short. Now's when we should start losing weight and refocusing our minds. So, from the sixth to eighth days, our three books cover this theme. For the sixth day, Goodbye to Dieting. Is dieting effective for weight loss? The answer is no. This book charts a scientific path to health and fitness. On the seventh day, Uncle Zuo recommends the power of discipline, teaching how to change behaviors and become your ideal self. Finally, on the eighth day, when we return to work, the power of assertiveness helps start strong. Exactly. Assertiveness helps overcome timidity, express true thoughts, break free from others' control, and impress colleagues. All right, that concludes our New Year recommendations. Hope you enjoy these books and continue journeying with us. See you next year.